If you found this video, you're probably moving. So I got a few tips in this video. If you found this video, you're probably moving into a house, and I have too. So I have a lot of tips for you. So stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss anything. Welcome to Truths with Trey, where we love real talk and we talk about real life things, self-improvement, things that you go through in life. That's what we like to talk to and talk about. So if you like that kind of content, you're in the right place. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment below, and like this video so it can get pushed out to other people just like you and me. Buying my first house was very stressful. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. The first thing they're gonna do is get into all of your business. And when I say all of your business, all of your business. Your credit has to be right, and then once you get your credit right, they're going to want your bank account information. So they're going to see everything that you do when you buy stuff, what you bought.
Oh my God, even though it's from, oh my God.
Because they want to make sure that you have the funds to be able to get the loan or whatever you're going to do to support that house. I would say this is probably the most nerve-wracking part of buying a house, but it's some other stuff that I'm gonna go through in this video that really have you restless at night. The next thing is house shopping. So you will get a realtor, and I'll talk about that next. But house shopping is a little stressful, but it's fun because you're actually going to these houses, you're seeing what you like. But the problem with it is you'll go to a house and you will see things that you like in this house, and then you'll go to another house and then you'll be like, oh, I really like this one. So then in your brain you'll be like, well, I want to see another house because when I saw this house, I like this better than the last house. So you have like a fear of missing out. I'm gonna tell you, you don't want to get caught in that trap because you will forever be looking for a house. What I would recommend you do, get online, look at houses, go to like Redfin, realtor.com, and see the things that you like and be like, hey, make a checklist. Like, I want a pool, I want a basement, I want this many bathrooms, and really have a plan. That way you're not sucked into the circle of finding a house, liking this house, then finding another house and liking that house. You have a grand idea what you like. So you won't waste your time, your realtor's time. If the house doesn't have what you want exactly like you want, you can just leave. Picking a realtor. So picking a realtor is it's challenging. You want to have a good realtor that's good with you, that can communicate well with you, that does the work that you need them to be doing, right? You're paying that realtor to do a service for you. So if that realtor is not sending you houses, if that realtor is not in contact with you, it might be time to find another realtor. And I know it's hard to get rid of the first realtor that you have because you kind of form a relationship with your realtor, but you have to realize this is your home that you're buying. And especially nowadays, homes are expensive. So you want to make sure you have everything in place, the right people in place, and your realtor is the top person that you need to have right. That goes with your personality, what you're looking for. They have everything that you need. And if you get good in with your realtor might have houses that are not even listed. So that's a special thing. So sometimes ask your realtor, hey, are there any houses that are not listed that you have in your portfolio that I can see? Most of the time they'll have one or two, and that's good to jump on that because you don't have to deal with the bidding wars that go on with houses. Most time you can talk to the person that owns the house now and say, hey, I'm an interested buyer. I want to buy this house. Will you sell it to me if I put a little extra on top and not put it on the market? That'll probably help you lock in getting the house versus getting onto like a bidding war or going against people with houses, because what they'll start offering more money than you, and then you have to offer more money, then they'll offer more money, then you just get caught in this cycle. You might get bidded out, and it can be discouraging. So I would deeply advise going to your realtor and say, hey, is there anything on the market or that's not on the market, not showing publicly that I can see? So if you made it this far in the video and you like what we're talking about, it feels like it's connecting with you, make sure you leave a comment below, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so this can get pushed out to other people. So the day comes where you're about to close on your house. You've done everything, the paperwork is done, you've done the waiting, you've been vetted, everything is good. Now you're just waiting on those few days and you're excited, your anxiety is up, you like, I hope nothing happens. So that time right there is a crucial time because what the seller can do, the seller can pull out, and you don't want that to happen. So what you want to do is be honestly, be still, be quiet, don't say anything, just take on with your realtor here and there. You want to make sure that the seller is good to go. You don't want to be buying anything extra. You don't want to make any big purchases. You just want to wait that time out. When it comes to closing day, make sure you talk to your realtor about everything that you might need to have. You might need to have some documents. I would bring a pen. I don't know why it's like a thing, but I like to bring my own pen that I'm signing the stuff with. It just feels more personal to me versus using their pen. Most of the time, the realtor place, they'll give you like a goodie bag and all that, but just come in prepared. I come in looking nice because it's like a business transaction. I want the seller to know that, hey, you're selling your house to a good family, a good person that's going to take care of your home after you leave. Last thing you want to do when buying a home is making it your own. Remember that you bought the house for you. You didn't buy it for anybody else. You bought it for you. You bought it for you and your family, you and your kids. So you want to make it your own. I had a big problem and fear of doing things in this house. As you can see in the background, I have a black wall, right? It took me forever to paint that wall because in my head I was like, I might sell this house one day, and if I sell this house and I have a black wall, maybe they don't like the black wall and I have to make it back white again, like the other wall over here. But at the end of the day, this is my home. This is my safe place that I have to live in. So it is okay to paint your walls, put things on the wall, put pictures up, because you have to make it your own. It's going to be up to the buyer to decide like, hey, they don't like that. And most of the time, the buyer might like what you already have, right? So that might be an increasing factor to selling your house. So you want to make it feel good. You don't want to just have a plain house. My basement was plain. I was like, I got to do something with this because I wasn't happy in my basement. I had to make it my own. So don't worry about trying to think about in the future about selling it. I can understand like some crazy things, you don't want to do, but for the most part, you can make it your own. Do what you want to do. Put pictures up, paint walls, make it feel like home. And that's it, man. So if you're moving, congratulations. If you're buying a house, congratulations. It is a big journey, and I hope you get what you deserve. I hope you get what you want. I hope these tips actually help you and it resonates with you. So like I said, if you like this, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video, comment below, and I'll see you next time.